उर्दू, चीनी और अंग्रेजी सीखें। 学习乌瓦读语中文和英语 Learn Urdu, Chinese and English. In Urdu, we say lobster, lobster. In Chinese, we say 龙虾, 龙虾. In English, we say lobster, lobster. In Urdu, we say manduc, manduc. In Chinese, we say 青蛙, 青蛙. In English, we say frog, frog. In Urdu, we say dolphin, dolphin. In Chinese, we say 海豚, 海豚. In English, we say dolphin, dolphin. In Urdu, we say jinga, jinga. In Chinese, we say 虾, 虾. In English, we say shrimp, shrimp. In Urdu, we say machli, machli. In Chinese, we say 鱼, 鱼. In English, we say fish, fish. In Urdu, we say kekada, kekada. In Chinese, we say 螃蟹, 螃蟹. In English, we say crab, crab. In Urdu, we say octopus, octopus. In Chinese, we say 章鱼, 章鱼. In English, we say octopus, octopus. In Urdu, we say shark, shark. In Chinese, we say 鲨鱼, 鲨鱼. In English, we say shark, shark. In Urdu, we say whale, whale. In Chinese, we say 鲸, 鲸. In English, we say whale, whale. In Urdu, we say samandri ghoda, samandri ghoda. In Chinese, we say 海马, 海马. In English, we say seahorse, seahorse. In Urdu, we say kachwa, kachwa. In Chinese, we say 龟, 龟. In English, we say turtle, turtle. In Urdu, we say magarmach, magarmach. In Chinese, we say 鳄鱼, 鳄鱼. In English, we say crocodile, crocodile. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the notification bell to get more updates on our videos.